Hi everybody, I wanted to real quickly share a new tool I learned about. Mrs. Loeffler at King shared this with me, or I saw it in use in her classroom, and it really fits with what we've been doing with grouping students. It's for randomly grouping students, and then there's also quite a few other things it looks like that you can use this tool for. It's called Flippity, and Flippity works with Google Sheets within your Google Drive. And so what the one I'm going to focus on today is this Flippity random name picker. To get here, you go to flippity.net. There's a few steps that you need to do. We're going to go ahead and open up the template. We're going to go ahead and make a copy. For high school teachers, it appears that you'll have to do this for each one of your classes. You can't do them all in one. For elementary teachers, it's a little easier. You'll just need to do one. All right, so we can see that we have our copy now of our random name picker template. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to rename this. I'm going to call it first hour. All right, I'm going to put some different students in here just so we can see it's working. Okay, so we have those names in there. So I have all my students' names in there. Then the real key to this is to go to up to file in Google Sheets, go to publish to the web. You want to make your content visible to anyone by publishing it to the web. So you may not want to use last names in here, just use first names and go ahead and hit publish. Yes, we want to publish. Okay, then you don't need to do anything more with this. You're going to go ahead and hit close, go to the get link here. There's going to be this link here. I don't know exactly what connects the two together, but there we go. You can see this is my first hour class. You can see the different names in here. We had Anderson, Brando, Jody Foster. So this is just a spinner, random name spinner. Click it once, it'll go. Click it again, it'll stop. This will work on iOS devices. Right now, I'm doing it in Firefox on my laptop. It'll also work on iOS devices. It should work in Safari, and it will definitely work in Google Chrome. For those of you Chrome users, there is a Google Chrome add-on that you can add to it, and so it'll add it right in the sheet, and it'll show up here. You can't see this here, but in Google Chrome it'll work nicely, and it might also work in Firefox. You can also do single names like this, shuffle them. You can do a lineup. There's a shuffle at the bottom. And then you can move through it. You can also, it'll randomly select groups, reshuffle. You can do multiple. There's teams, 5 teams, groups of 5. And then more over here, there's a number of different groups or teams. So let's make 9 teams. And so it'll split them up that way. So it's a great way to randomly group students. And so again, that was flippity.net. Let me check with me if you have any questions, or I know Mrs. Loeffler's using this at King School. There's probably some other teachers as well there. I'm just not aware of them. Maybe some of you at the high school know this as well. So just let me know if there's anything you need help with.